Your greater success is within reach. It's time to rewrite our success story, living a life operated by our own terms and rules. We don't have to ask, call, answer to anyone. Maybe just our loved ones, by choice only. OnPASSIVE is coming. It must be sustainable, effectual, and competent. There's no speed paddle, there's no press button, there's no phase skipping. There are no days skimming. Launching time is not my choice. Not even your wish. Launching is a choice, and we chose to make it a big one. It's determined by the ethical implementation of the right work. The required work and time must be paid fair and square. We have been preparing, we've been paying, working, and working and working. The dream is coming. The countdown clock is about to be set and go tick. 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 Mufareh CEO